This is a car that slid off the rocks while it was trying to climb an incline and slid into a tree. Now we are all together trying to pull this car off. This right here, the guy next to the guy in the specs. It's me. This is about 1,300 kilometers away from where I live. It's a place called Palakkad in Kerala. What are we doing here? I showed up for the off-roading level 1 workshop where about 8 more people like me gathered. And why I did that is because so that I could drive my 4x4 Jimny a lot better and I could make full use of that. So hey folks, here I am right now almost on the borders of Mangalore, entering into Kerala, and I'm totally looking forward. I've been planning this for the last 2 months to be a part of this off-roading. I have a Jimny, as you can see, and I'm completely digging it. I love my Jimny. I love driving it. It's a very, very different experience. I'll talk about my Jimny some other day, but this video is not about the Jimny. This video is about my vlog, my first serious vlog. I've been vlogging, but I've been doing songs. I've been doing thoughts. I've been doing a lot of YouTube shots, but I want to start slightly long formats, and because I have a lot of thoughts and ideas and plans and stuff that I wanted to share with the audience. So here's one of the first, and I'm just going to put across my point of view, experience about my journey towards something, really random or something really concrete. It could be anything, but I'll try to pen down my thoughts really well and try to keep it concise and and straightforward for y'all. I want to keep it very authentic. I want to keep it very fluid, and I'm just gonna go off the hook and I'm gonna start recording and document this workshop that I'm going for. And I think this workshop, like I said, I've been planning for 2 months, and it's going. And this is a solo trip that I'm making. It's a 9-hour drive from Udupi to Kerala. It's a place called Perinthilmanna. It's very difficult to pronounce. I'm getting used to it. Places in Kerala are the names of places in Kerala are long, but I will get used to it. These workshops that being carried out by Dr. Fahad is supposed to be very good at this. This is actually a off-roading training level 1 workshop that I'm going into. It's a 1-day workshop, and I'll hopefully go for many more certifications, many more workshops. At the end of this workshop, they'll certify the participants, and I am excited like a kid about this. There's gonna be another, I think, about 9 or 10 people joining from different parts of the country, and I think y'all also should experience and plan things like this. And the beauty of a solo trip is, like, for example, now when I've been driving for the last 1 hour, and you are with yourself. You're able to reflect. You're able to dig a little deeper into your thoughts, what you've planned, things that you've told people, your last week, your last month, your next quarter. You can reflect on pretty much everything and plan things out when you're not distracted by anything. It's just the road and the vehicle, and you're driving. You have your thoughts with you, and you can dig a little deeper and reflect. I want to encourage you all to take up short little trips and breaks like this. Go for a little workshop somewhere, and it could be about off-roading, this is about driving, but you could take up things that you like. Go someplace. It doesn't have to be maybe a car drive. It can be by train, it can be by flight, but the idea is that you travel by yourself and take that experience. I'll keep you all posted about anything that's interesting. I'll make sure that I'll talk about that. I'll try and document it, but for now, ciao.